You are watching this video because either you want to start making money on social media or you want to grow a brand and just get a following. So today I'm going to expose some secrets and tell you exactly how to get started now. So let's start with Facebook. All right. So Facebook, in my opinion, is the easiest way to get monetized. Okay. That's the first secret. Now, what you want to do is log in. You have to, now this is my desktop, y'all, but you gotta make sure you look on the right hand side. If this does not say professional dashboard, that means you are not monetized. So Facebook recently started something called performance bonuses. So let's click on that. Now, when you convert your page from a personal to a professional page, you will start to see a lot of different options, right? You can make money from subscriptions. If people start to subscribe to your channel, meaning you can show them content that you don't show to everyone. What else? You can also earn by, let's see what else we got here. Basically though, let me tell you, the performance bonus is based on everything you do. And now the performance bonus, you do not get paid when you post in the stories. So basically though, to get an invitation to be monetized in their performance program, you've got to be a professional page and you've got to convertence program. You want to be posting videos. You want to make posts every day. You want to post images. You got to do it all. Okay. And they actually put you through a test before they approve you. So I went through a test, I want to say for like 5 weeks. And I'm going to tell you, unfortunately, it wasn't worth it because when they had the bonus reels program a couple years ago, they paid pretty good. And now I would post maybe 4 to 5 times a day and it would not even add up to $100. So that's one of the reasons I don't post as much anyway. But long story short, what I'm saying is getting monetized is possibly the fastest way to start getting paid on social media, but it can be the least rewarding unless you plan to make it a full-time job and actually post at least 5 times every single day. So let's get to the next one. All right. And again, one more time too, you get paid on subscriptions and you get paid ads on your reels. You can get paid from that. When you post reels, they can post ads, but some of this stuff comes up as pennies. So I don't recommend it. So, all right. The number one way was ads. Okay. Or I'm sorry, getting monetized. That was the first way and first secret exposed. Okay, now the second secret exposed is brand deals. All right, so let me take you over real quick to TikTok. All right, so when you are on TikTok, let's just look at their feeds really quick. But basically, to get brand deals, you want to be posting every day, right? And then what will happen is these brands will start to see you. If they like your style and your email address is right here, you will get emails. Let me see if I can take you to my email address and find one because I get these emails all the time. Oh my goodness. Hold on one second. All right, so here we go. Here's one. All right, dear Katina, I hope this email finds you well. I'm with Bambuno Brand, and we are genuinely impressed by your TikTok content. We believe our military smartwatch complements your video style perfectly. Yada, 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 right? So basically, these brands will reach out and email you, okay? And all you have to do is start creating. Like I tell people all the time, don't try to be perfect at it. Just get started working, but start creating and put your email address in here. And as you can see, I removed my email address, but somehow they are still finding me. So But that's another way. Brand deals, brand sponsorships. And let me tell you this too. Now, if you are, let me show you something real quick. If you want to get heavy into the brand sponsorship, if you want to get heavy into brand sponsorships and all of that, you need a media kit. And I'm trying to find mine real quick to see if I can show you. All right, it ain't there. So I got it on Canva. Let me just show you real quick what a media kit looks like. Okay. All right. So here's an example of a media kit. All right. I had to find it on Canva. I couldn't find it on my website, but this is an example of a media kit that you want to have handy and have available if you want to get big in brand deals. And so basically it's kind of like a resume, but you want to say what you specialize in and proud moments like your accomplishments online, your number of TikTok, social media, Facebook followers. You want to talk about engagement and viral moments. That is how, that's an example of a media kit. All right, let me show you one more thing too. I just saw, I create all my stuff in Canva. So I'll put a link below too in case you want to create something in Canva, but check this out. So here's something I created when I wanted to start getting heavy into brand deals and brand sponsorships. So I created this. Actually, I'm going to put it back on my Instagram and pin it. But something real simple like this will get you opportunities. They will email you. So there we go. That's our number 2. So the one secret again was getting monetized. The second secret was getting brand deals. And now the third secret, y'all, is selling products. All right. I said it once before and I'll say it again. You've got to decide if you're going to sell your own product or if you are going to sell affiliate products. Now, it's easier to sell affiliate products because they are done for you. So, and here's an example. Real quick, I'll show you an example of what I mean by affiliate products. And my computer would move slow, but basically you'll have a link tree and you'll put your affiliate products in here. And some people say it's a best practice to only have 3, but I do so much, so I got a bunch. I've got triple this, y'all. It's just, these are the only ones I got active at the moment. But basically, yeah, you create a link tree. There's another one similar to Linktree, and I believe it's completely free. And I believe Linktree is free if you are new or just getting started, or they give you a free trial. But get you a link tree, put you some affiliate products in here, or get your own product. All right. So that is number 3, the third secret to making money on social media. And before I continue to my final 2 and the bonus that I have, so be sure to watch until the end because I do got a nice bonus that's going to surprise you. Click on that like button if you know you are a regular here, and if it's your first time here, welcome. And don't forget, click that subscribe button. Okay, and let me know in the comments which one so far do you like. Do you like the idea of getting monetized? Do you like the idea of getting brand sponsorship deals? Do you like the idea of selling your own products or affiliate products? Let me know in the comments, y'all, so I can continue bringing this free game on making money on social media. All right, so let's get to number 4, which is, we got to talk about the TikTok shop, y'all. All right. So now I'm going to tell you, I did get monetized on TikTok. And here's a secret right here. What I learned quickly after getting monetized on Facebook and on TikTok, when you get monetized on these platforms, y'all, you got to work 3 times as hard. 3 times as hard, because they show your content to less people and they're kind of forcing you to just double up on your efforts. And so that's the reason I don't prefer the monetization way of making money. I prefer my personal product and affiliate product way to make money. That's my personal preference, in my experience, that has gained me the most. So, but let me just scroll real quick through TikTok. If my computer will move, I want to find you some examples really quick. So, oh my goodness. All right, so let's just take a look then. Let's take a look over here. So you see this, Get Coins. You see this, Live Studio. You see this, Live Creator Hub. I was in the Creator Hub and I got rid of, well, they just take you to the ad. But yeah, I got rid of it because I quickly realized that they wanted me to work harder. And I wasn't trying to do that because this social media stuff can really turn into a full-time job. But I just want to show you real quick. Now, let me just tell you this secret too. Now, some people are saying the reason they want to ban TikTok is because people are making so much money on TikTok that that's the reason they can't get people back to work and back in the office. I'm almost prone to believe that because I'm going to tell you, and I've said it before, TikTok, when I first started creating content and making money online, TikTok was my favorite. It was the place that I made the most money, the easiest, and the fastest. So, but now they got this stuff called a TikTok shop, which I'm trying to find you an example of right now. But all you got to do is log on. But basically, it's like people are selling products. It's like TikTok has their own set of affiliate marketing products. You can sell those, or again, you can sell your own. When you create content, people come, they view your profile, and they look at your link tree, and then they look at your products that you're selling. Simple, right? So, let's get to number 5. Now, this one here, number 5, is about to shock you because I bet you didn't even know people were making money like this. All right, so number 5, we're going to talk about what's called shout out pages. Now, hopefully, one is about to pop up. If it doesn't pop up, I know how to get to it quick. Let's go to, I'm going to go to Hollywood Unlocked, and I'm going to tell you, they post so much that Hollywood, I'm like, wait a minute, how do you spell Hollywood? So Hollywood Unlocked, I stopped following them, y'all, because they were posting too much for me about Chrisean Rock. So, but basically, did y'all know these gossip pages are shout out pages, right? So they are posting all day about the latest, greatest, most trending topics that, look how, well, let me just show you this. Look how many followers they got, 3.6 million. Look how much interaction they get on almost all of their posts, right? They get, I can't see all the interaction here, but they get so much interaction on all of the posts. Now, if you go to their link tree, or if you see where they're going to lead you, well, okay, this one, okay, that's not a good example. So let me find another example. I got to show you an example. Let's go to spiritual word. Let's try spiritual word. Hit that like again, y'all. Hit that like. Okay, so this one is trying to copy the, it's spiritual word. That's another gossip. You see that? Spiritual word, right? Let's click on them. Now, I don't know if they're selling products, but you see 2.7 million, right? Look, they're just another gossip page, right? These are online pages. They gossip about the latest. But look at this. This is what I wanted to show you right here. Advertise with us. If you click on that, you can advertise whatever you're trying to do, and they make money from this. So, long story short, y'all, those gossip pages aren't gossiping for nothing. They're gossiping because they're talking about relationships and a lot of BS, because that's what the majority of people comment on, right? But as they continue to dish out all of this content, they're getting higher and higher in the algorithm. More people are going to follow them, and boom, they're going to make more money, because once in a blue moon, you will see them talk about a business or something like that, and that person paid them for an ad. That's how that goes, right? So drop me a comment in the comment section. Did you know that those gossip pages were basically like getting paid for real? Drop a comment though, y'all. Did you know they were getting paid or not? You know, or what are your thoughts about it? Because I know I didn't know at first. So now let me tell you, we finally reached the end of this video. Thank goodness, because it was getting too long. I didn't know I had so much to say, y'all, about making money on social media, but thanks to my email list, they let me know they wanted to hear about it. So let me tell y'all, the bonus way to make money on social media. Have y'all ever noticed, or I know in our city, we've got quite a few people who just talk or highlight different restaurants or different places in your city. That, let me tell you, let me give you an example. I love showing you better than telling you. So this is someone in our city, and I remember when he first started, and everybody, we go to his page now just to see new restaurants or new food places that are out. I'm talking about, he just makes really good videos about new places, right? And so he gets paid to go to different restaurants and highlight them. So, you know, this is called being an influencer, right? That's called being an influencer. I think it's really cool. I've thought about doing it. You know, so hey, those are the 5 ways plus a bonus, y'all. Those are the 5 ways to make money on social media, the 5 secret ways. All right. This is the secret way, secrets exposed for making money on social media. And let me know in the comments, y'all. Do y'all want to see a part 2 of this? Do you want to see a part 2 to secrets exposed of making money on social media? Let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to do it. It's Katina Willis. Thanks for watching this video. And hey, right here, don't forget, watch this video, okay? It goes into more detail about making money on social media. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Take care.